How to remove end-to-end encryption chat in Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Messenger. Now tap on the three lines and go to Settings. Now go to Privacy and Safety and tap on End-to-end encrypted chats. Now go to Message Storage. Now tap on Turn off Secure Storage. Now tap on Continue. Now go back. Go to Security Alerts. Turn off this toggle. Now go back. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.